In today's video, I will show you how to prepare a rosemary hair oil with essential oil. A fantastic remedy to increase your hair growth. I will guide you through a step-by-step process and ingredients that needed to make this nourishing rosemary oil for hair growth. So let's get started. We need 3 ingredients to make this rosemary hair oil. Coconut oil. You can take any brand coconut oil. I have used Parachute coconut oil, which is 50 ml. Coconut oil provides deep moisture and strengthens your hair. We need some rosemary leaves. These are dried rosemary leaves available on Amazon. Rosemary is fantastic for stimulating hair follicles and improving scalp's health. It is cheap yet effective. We will need rosemary essential oil for hair growth and thickening of the hair strands. I will leave the Amazon link in the description box. Take a pan, add 50 ml of coconut oil. Add 3 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. Keep the flame in medium. Stir it well to ensure the leaves are fully submerged in the oil. Within 3 minutes, the oil turns golden yellow in color. This is the time to turn off the stove. Strain the liquid. Add 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. It prevents premature hair loss and thinning by stimulating blood circulation to the scalp. It keeps the scalp clean and free from dandruff, itching and white flakes. Mix it well. Transfer it to a glass container for storage purposes. Now the rosemary oil for hair growth is ready. For application, section your hair. Dip a cotton ball into the oil and gently press it to release the oil. Cover your entire scalp with the rosemary oil. Pour the remaining oil onto your palms. Rub it between your palms and spread it on the hair length. Make sure to cover from root to tip. Put a bun and leave it for at least an hour before washing. You can also leave it overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. I left it for an hour and washed it with mild herbal shampoo. All natural hair, no straightening, no perming, no smoothening, keratin or any other salon treatments. I also avoid e-tools like blow dryer to keep my hair healthy. And this is how it looks. Continue applying this rosemary hair oil every time you shampoo your hair. This makes it easy and convenient to use. Do try this for at least 4 weeks to see visible results. I hope you enjoyed watching how to make a rosemary oil with the essential oil. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family. Those who are suffering from hair thinning, hair fall, dandruff, or pretty much any problem with your hair, rosemary is a perfect choice for you. I will leave the link of the rosemary leaves in the description box. Until then, I will see you next time. Bye.